If you want to join a Telegram group without a direct invite link, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few taps. This is useful when someone gives you the group name or username instead of a link, and you still want to find the group and join it from inside the Telegram app. Before we start, make sure you're already signed into Telegram on your phone. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside, look for the search icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap that search icon to open Telegram's search function. Now, in the search bar, type the exact group name or username you were given. For example, you might type something like @groupname if the group has a username. As you type, Telegram will start showing search results automatically. Make sure you look under the global search results because that's where public groups usually appear. This is important if the group is not in your chat list or contacts. Scroll through the results carefully until you find the correct group. Try to match the name, profile picture, and username if one is shown so you don't join the wrong group. Once you find the desired group, tap on it to open the group preview. On the group page, you'll usually see a join button at the bottom. Tap join, and that's it. You've successfully joined the Telegram group without needing a direct link. If the group doesn't appear in search, it may be private, hidden, or restricted, which means you may need an invite link from the admin. But for public groups, this method usually works very well. You can also use this same process if you only know the exact username and not the invite link. Just remember to search carefully and confirm you're selecting the right group before joining. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.